Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Tailscale versus WireGuard. First up, let's talk about WireGuard. It's an open source VPN protocol that has gained major attention for its simplicity, speed, and security. WireGuard works by creating secure peer-to-peer connections using state-of-the-art cryptography. It's lightweight, easy to configure, and runs on almost all major operating systems, from Linux to Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. One of the key advantages of WireGuard is its minimalistic design, meaning it's faster and more efficient compared to older protocols like OpenVPN. However, it's important to note that while WireGuard provides the foundation for secure connections, it's just that, a protocol. You'll need to manually set up and manage your own infrastructure. Now let's shift focus to Tailscale. Tailscale is built on top of WireGuard and takes things a step further by simplifying the process of setting up and managing WireGuard VPNs. Think of Tailscale as WireGuard's friendlier, more automated counterpart. Tailscale leverages WireGuard's security and performance but adds features like automatic key management, peer discovery, and a central control panel. This means you don't have to worry about manually configuring every device. You can easily connect devices even if they are behind NAT or firewalls and set up a mesh network effortlessly. Now let's compare them head to head. First, when it comes to setup, WireGuard gives you complete control, but with that comes more complexity. If you are tech savvy and don't mind handling all the configuration yourself, WireGuard is a great option. On the other hand, Tailscale is about ease of use. It's designed for anyone, not just networking experts. It automates the process of key exchange, device management, and IP allocation, making it perfect for people who want a simple solution without the hassle. Next, security. Both Tailscale and WireGuard use the same base protocol, so they share the same level of security. WireGuard's cryptography is robust, and Tailscale doesn't compromise on that by adding its own layer. So if security is a top priority, you're covered on both sides. So now, which one should you choose? It really depends on your needs. If you are a developer or network administrator looking for ultimate control, WireGuard is a solid choice. You'll have full flexibility to configure everything exactly how you want. But if you are looking for simplicity, ease of use, and seamless device management with minimal setup, Tailscale is the clear winner. It's perfect for remote teams, small businesses, or even for personal use. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.